Maasai Mara Wildlife Reserve is one of the world's most preferred tourist destinations. The tourist attraction may, however, become extinct in the next 10 years if serious measures are not taken, as migratory routes for the popular wild beast reduce from 4 to 1.
During the migration, Maasai Mara is overcrowded. I think the DG spoke about carrying capacity of our parks. However, Maasai Mara, which is our jewel, really, for the country, is one that currently faces serious challenges.
According to Tourism Secretary Said Athman, Maasai Mara has been one of the most toured parks in the country, generating billions to Kenya's revenue. However, climate change and overpopulation of the wild animals has left the park in a sorry state.
We do not have sufficient water, and when you do not have sufficient water, you do not have sufficient vegetation. Animals and human beings depend on that as well. Animals have died. You have seen them. Indeed, KWS has been tankering water, have been doing dams across the country to mitigate those kind of effects.
Speaking during the launch of the Wildlife Research and Training Institute Strategic Plan in Naivasha, KWS Director General Brigadier Retired John Waweru said they are moving with speed to reduce the number of deaths in the park as drought continues to wreak havoc.
This area, there is drought in an area, because drought is not the only thing. Like now, I talked about overpopulation. If you have overpopulation in an area, then you'll have a problem because the ecosystem is affected.
The director of Wildlife Research Institute, Dr. Patrick Omondi, has affirmed that they have since embarked on various researches around the Mara Conservancy to address the emerging issues.
Some tracking on elephants have been done. We know they cross the border. Some tracking where these corridors, so that when they are planning to do fencing, when you are planning to do agriculture, you use science. We'll say this is a corridor, and the country can deliberately allow that animal movement.
Mumbi Wambogo, K24 TV.